Solana, August 8th. So let's take a look. We are formatting the chart in such a way that we have two trend movements. Look, this is the trend movement. Well, there's no way we can split it into parts. That is, this is one single continuous trend movement that started from the reversal point formed at this mark. $83.95 per coin. This is the main target in case the downward trend movement is broken. So, the main target. Now, the previous trend movement started right here from the $63.96 mark. Pay attention, the entire movement took $20. Now, the substructures. Very important. We had the movement from the low, the formation of a high, another low, another high. We are building substructures. These are the constituent elements of the current uptrend. Just like that. And we will get an understanding that any trend has certain conditions. Breakout of levels in the direction of price movement. No breakout of levels formed as a result of a correction. Now, the same kind of downward movement, but even though it takes longer to develop, it is a minor one. It is located inside the previous one. The most important thing we need to understand. And since it is located inside the previous one, the reversal points of the previous one are important levels that we have marked. Pay attention. While I'm drawing these levels, you can take a look for yourselves. While I'm building the substructures, you can take a look at these levels yourselves. Support level is $63.96. Our resistance level is $83.95. I am constructing the current trend movement in such a way that our trend conditions are met. There is a breakout of the low, no breakout of the half. That's it. Here is our downward trend movement. It's important that the price hasn't broken through the pivot points yet. This is accumulation, and we can see that. I've drawn this markup before. Those who follow my videos on Telegram, TikTok, and YouTube would have seen this markup. And right now we have accumulation. This is the most interesting part. This is where large market participants are building up positions for this time frame. And this zone is formed from the $70.53 mark to the $75.27 mark. Now for the targets. We have a target below the price, target 1. Here it is, a serious target, $69.65. Pivot point. We have targets above the price. Pay attention, there are a lot of them. Therefore, it'll be much harder for the price to move up than to fall. But there is one more condition. Notice how many targets there are here. Until they break through this entire zone, they won't reach the resistance level of $83.95. Yes, they might give a small move to break the high towards this resistance zone, even with hitting 1 or 2 targets. But right here is the lower boundary of the accumulation at $70.53, and the nearest target is $69.65. Therefore, let's take a wider price range, and then we will trade on the breakout of the price range from the $69.65 mark to the $75.27 mark. Only a breakout of this price range will give us a continuation of the downtrend or its reversal. These two levels are quite significant for the 1-hour time frame, you could say, for the medium term. So without a breakout of this price range, we will be trading with the crowd inside it. We will trade on the breakout of the price range with the major market participants. I'm conducting the analysis on the vvozny.com platform. It's a symbiosis of Telegram and TradingView. Even better, all the features, all the perks, all the bells and whistles are free for you. The link is in the profile bio. Go check it out, subscribe. Thank you all for your attention. This has been Vyacheslav Vozny. See you soon.